Blessings, blessings. For those who don't know, my name is Imari. Thank you for tuning in. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare my sea moss. Okay, so you saw the soaking process. Very, very simple. I'm gonna let it soak for 24 to 30 hours. That, in my opinion, is like the golden time span, so that once you rinse it back off and you put it in the blender, it blends and it becomes a super, super nice consistency. I remember when I made it the first time, and I think I let my sea moss soak for like 4 hours, and when I tried to like blend it up and everything, it just came out super chunky, and I didn't like that. Now, to each his own. So if you like that, maybe, you know, if you want to soak it for 8 hours, I know people who do that. Do that, you know, it's all about pretty much preference. I'm gonna come back around 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. tomorrow, because then that'll be about 28 hours maybe. We'll continue with creating this sea moss into a gel, okay? Hello, okay, I'm back. Day 2, it's 5 o'clock, so now it's been about 30 hours. And here is my sea moss. It's soaked really nice to me. Yeah. Okay, so we're almost done, y'all. We just gotta get through a few more steps, and then your sea moss gel will be made. And you can add it to anything, you know, like I said, your shampoos, your conditioners, your smoothies, your face masks, whatever you want, your life. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off one more time, give it one good rinse, 2 maybe even. You just wanna make sure that your sea moss is clean before you start either boiling it or blending it, whatever you do. Make sure that it's really clean, okay? So I washed the sea moss. Look how beautiful it is. Isn't this just beautiful? I mean, just beautiful, okay? This is like perfect. It's swollen like to the perfect consistency. Now I still gotta wash this one a little, but just perfect, okay? I filled this up with hot water, not tap water either, like purified drinking water. And now I'm about to blend it up. This is my sea moss gel. It doesn't really have like a super strong smell or anything. But yeah, this is it, y'all. I love to make gel out of this because you can just easily add this to anything. The recommended dose is 1 to 2 tablespoons. This amount, for an unreasonable person like me, this amount would last maybe a week. If you're you know, just starting off and you want to use the recommended amount and play it safe, that's totally cool. And this will probably last you a little bit longer, so you may not have to use a whole entire pack. The trick is that this is only going to last in the refrigerator for 2 weeks max. Try to use the amount that you know you'll be able, or you can estimate that you'll be able to use in 2 weeks. That is it for me. I'm so glad that you stuck around, you watched this, and I hope that you learned something. Comment down below if you have any questions for me. Let me know. Thank you all for watching. Have a blessed rest of your night, morning, evening, whatever it is, and stay positive, okay? I love you.